On today's video, we're going to be making a gluten-free king cake, and we're starting off with proofing our yeast. We're going to set it aside, and then we're going to start working on the batter. We're going to be using 4 cups of all-purpose gluten-free flour. We will use 1 teaspoon of nutmeg and 2 teaspoons of salt. And I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of the zest from a lemon. I did make the mistake of cutting it before, which is pretty dangerous. With all the juices, it can be pretty slippery. So don't make the same mistake that I made. We are going to beat the butter and the sugar until it's nice and fluffy. If you're like me and you bake on a whim, you're going to want to learn this trick. All you have to do is get some warm water, pour it in a glass, and put your eggs in there. And if you wait a few minutes, you will have room temperature eggs to use in your recipe. Here we're going to use 1 egg. Here we have 4 egg yolks. We're going to add them one at a time. Now we're going to add the flour and make sure that you are beating in between each addition. Now I'm adding my yeast mixture, and I'm going to make sure to cover it again for a second time to proof. And once that has grown in size, I'm going to add it to my oven. I did want to tell you that I did grease down the bundt cake pan with some butter, and now I'm going to be putting it in the oven to cook for around an hour. And I am sticking my toothpick in to see if it is done, and it looks like it is done. To make the icing, I'm using 3 cups of powdered sugar and the juice of a whole lemon. Next, we're going to sift the powdered sugar. Adding our lemon juice. We're going to whisk it until it's the right consistency. If it's too thick, add some water to it. I'm going to add my cake here to this tray, and we're going to start decorating. I'm using my spatula just to drizzle it all over the cake, and then I'm going to add the sanding sugar. The recipe will be in the description box, and I hope that you guys enjoyed spending a little bit of time with me. I hope that you will come back and make sure that you are subscribed if you are interested in gluten-free like me. Thanks for watching.